Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Electronics Virtual Laboratory, and in this series today we will discuss the practical capacitive rectification. So just click on capacitive rectification. The objective of this practical is to learn filtering, ripple voltage, ripple factor, learn capacitive filtering. You can read all the theory portion regarding the rectification, filtering, the use of capacitor in the bridge type rectified circuit, what is ripple voltage, ripple factor, and all this. The basic idea of this practical is to get a constant DC supply. As we all know that the output of half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier is a pulsating DC. So we need a constant DC output for our components. So we pass this output through a capacitor, or we can say we filter the pulsating DC and convert it into a constant DC supply. So for this we apply a capacitor at the output of the circuit. So by clicking on simulation we will find two experiments. First is capacitive rectification for half wave rectifier, and second is capacitive rectification for full wave rectifier. So first we will see the half wave rectifier with the help of capacitor. So this is the capacitor that is connected in the parallel of load resistance, and the output of this half wave rectifier, that is a pulsating DC, that is converted into a constant DC with the help of this capacitor. On the left hand side there is a list of instructions which we have to follow for the simulation of this circuit. We will set the value of load resistance, capacitor, then we will connect AC voltage source, click on button, then click on sine wave, run simulation, and observe the corresponding waveform. So let's start by clicking on button, then apply a half wave rectified output. So this is output of the half wave rectifier. This is a output of positive half wave rectifier. Then this output is applied across a capacitor, and when we click on run simulation we will get this type of output. So this output is near to constant. It all depends on the value of capacitor, and we say it a constant DC, near to constant DC. With the help of channel 1, channel 2 and dual, we can set our inputs and outputs. By clicking on dual we can see both input and output on the screen of CRO. We can change the value or the position of these inputs and output. We can vary the frequency, phase, voltage, different components with the help of these control tabs. So this is basically the implementation of half wave rectifier or the capacitive rectification for half wave rectifier. Thank you.